Hi friends, it's Jamie. I thought you might like to see my updated sewing room. I swapped out some larger furniture for more dedicated, specific purpose furniture. So I've got canned lights in this room, so the lighting's good. This is my new horn serger cabinet for my Bernina L460 serger. I use this not constantly, but it's so nice to have a table that's on wheels that I can move around and use when I need to. And right behind that is my design wall that I made from Home Depot foam core insulation and some batting and a flannel sheet. Then I've got a new desk for my Janome 6700P. It's a Janome Universal 1 sewing table I got off a marketplace, and it's going to allow me to flatbed sew. So I'm waiting for the insert to arrive that I ordered for it, and looking forward to that. This is a set of Alex drawers from IKEA that I put on wheels or casters, so it rolls around, easy to move. And there's my little pretties shelf, meaningful things that I've been given or made or just special to me, and some artwork I've done. And this is a Michaels shelf unit for Cricut, I believe. And I guess I'm going to go through the drawers here. I was going to show how I label these drawers. They're not obnoxious labels that just sit out in front of your face, but they kind of hide in there in the finger hold or the, I don't know, whatever you call those things. And anyway, this Michaels cabinet, I also have it labeled, and it is for a Cricut. I don't own a Cricut, but it has a rolling shelf. It's wider. It has wings on it that flip up or down. And I made an ironing board for the top of it. And I also have a cutting mat that is large. It sits in the closet. It fits on top of there as well, so I can cut large projects. So I really like that table and the fact that I can make it smaller. This is a Billy bookcase, and I put boxes of notions like, zippers and rickrack and all that kind of stuff up in those boxes. I keep my books and all my spare fabric on it, and patterns. I just am not a big hoarder of things, so this is pretty much it. If I need something, I go buy it. And my rulers are stored on command hooks on the end of the Billy bookcase, so it's kind of a really handy piece of furniture. So this room is right off of our dining kitchen area, so it's the hub of the house basically. And I can just pop in and out, and I have a nice window there. I can watch the dogs outside playing, and I just really enjoy this room, especially when I keep it tidy and neat. I just can't really create unless I have, that going on. Thanks.